Forests. The green hearts of our planet. Vast rainforests like the Amazon produce a significant portion of the world's oxygen. Sunlight streaming through the branches, raindrops falling onto the earth, and life hidden among the leaves. Each one is part of an unseen harmony. It's not just trees that live here, thousands of species coexist in balance. Though they may seem quiet, forests are truly the most vibrant stages of life. Dunyamizin %70 I solarla kapli. Veo solarin altinda, halakesvadilmamis bambaska bird dunya sakli. Renkli merkan risa florindin, devesa balanalara, Isaac sakin plankton larden sesses suzulan denise kaplambagalorina kater. Okayanus, hem huser hem gizem tazur. Her bird dalga, million larka yilik berjekmazin islarini tazur. Denizin altinda hayat, Eukaridin garunda gundan sok daha karmasik ve bayulayasai. Dunyamizin %70 I solarla kapli. Veo solarin altgoji yuksalan devler. Dagler, hem gukla hem huserlu bird gorkman simjesider. Everest, Alpler, Tauruslar. Her bayri binler sil boyanka ruzgarla, yagmerla, zamanla sekalendi. Sedis physicsal dejel, manavai olarak de insania kilian varlaklarder. Bur dajan zervsign siktigenizda hisetogenise se sedis yukseklik dejel. Dogela butanlesmus alman and saf husera dorinda, hala kesvadilmamis bambaska bird dunya sakli. Renkli merkan risa florindin, devesa balanalara, Isaac sakin plankton larden sesses suzulan denise kaplambagalorina kater. Okayanus, hem huser hem gizem tazur. Her bird dalga, million larka yilik berjekmazin islarini tazur. Denizin altinda hayat, Eukaridin garunda gundan sok daha karmasik ve bayulayasai. Doga, her yil yeni bur masal anlatir bais. Ilkbahar, yenidin dogusan, kanlamanin mevsimi. Yaz, berekatin, koskanan, yasamin and parlak hali. Sonbahar, dinjinlajan, danusaman ve vidalaran simjisi. Kis isc, burwikuder. Alma ani zamanda sesislik tiki güzelikter. Mevsimler, zamanin doga userindiki sanadi jibider. Her bayri airy bird tableau, airy bur his. Nature is not just something to see, it's a miracle we must feel. And protecting this miracle is not merely a choice, it is a responsibility. Because the more alive nature is, the more alive we are. Let's protect this beauty together. Because nature is where everything begins.